By the Associated Press Johannesburg, Africa passed the milestone of 3 million confirmed cases COVID-19 Sunday, including more than 72,000 deaths, according to the Africa Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. South Africa accounts for more than 30% of the continent's total with more than 1.2 million reported cases, including 32,824 deaths. The high proportion of cases in South Africa could be because the country carries out more tests than many other African countries. South Africa is battling a resurgence of the disease, driven by a variant of the virus that is more contagious and spreading quickly. Many hospitals are reaching capacity, yet the numbers of those infected are expected to continue rising, according to health experts. South Africa's 7-day rolling average of daily new cases has risen over the past 2 weeks from 19.86 new cases per 100,000 people on December 26 to 30.18 new cases per 100,000 people on January 9, according to Johns Hopkins University. South African President Cyril Ramaphosa will meet with his cabinet this week to consider if further restrictions should be taken to slow the spread of the disease, while balancing the need to encourage economic growth. California reports record one-day total of 695 coronavirus deaths. UK PM Boris Johnson under fire as Britain again faces onslaught of COVID-19. Overwhelmed hospitals in Ukraine see the consequences of widespread New Year's festivities. Israelis protest Netanyahu amid third virus lockdown. Nightly curfew for pandemic takes effect across QuebecFollow app's coverage at andHERE'S. What else is happening? Prague. Thousands of angry protesters have rallied in the Czech capital to protest the government's restrictive measures imposed to contain the coronavirus pandemic. The demonstrators, representing different business groups, artists, teachers, doctors and unions, have condemned the restrictions, calling them chaotic, ineffective and harmful for the country. Many have pledged to reopen their businesses despite the current strict lockdown. Police estimated up to 3,000 attended the peaceful protest at Prague's Old Town Square on Sunday. The demonstrators didn't have face masks and ignored social distancing rules. Former President Vaclav Klaus, a consistent critic of the government's response to the pandemic, addressed the crowd. Klaus says the restrictions don't help anything and devastate people's lives and economy. The Czech Republic had 831,165 confirmed cases with 13,115 deaths. Jerusalem, Israel's prime minister has personally welcomed a new shipment of Pfizer-BioNTech coronavirus vaccines to the country. Benjamin Netanyahu is racing to make Israel the first country to vaccinate its population. In just 3 weeks, Israel already has given the first of 2 vaccine doses to nearly 20% of its population. It also has agreed to share data from the campaign with Pfizer in hopes of helping other countries